Welcome to Deepa's Knits and Knots. Let's crochet this elite granny square pattern today. Before we get into today's tutorial, if you enjoy beginner-friendly crochet videos and step-by-step tutorials like this, you can also explore our crochet kits on Amazon. Our kits include all the materials required to create a cute crochet project, including yarn, crochet hook, needle, stitch markers, glue, safety eyes, a reusable storage box, and a step-by-step video tutorial card. Our 2-in-1 animal pouch kits are just 299 Indian rupees. Our cat paw pouch kits are just 249 Indian rupees. Our flower pouch kits are just 241 Indian rupees. Our evil eye kits are just 149 Indian rupees. And our 12-color 6-ply yarn kit is just 275 Indian rupees. These gorgeous 3-in-1 tulip coasters are just 249 rupees. This cute tulip scrunchie kit is just 190 Indian rupees. Shop links are given in the description. Now let's get into the tutorial. I used light brown and pink 6-ply yarn, along with a 3.5mm crochet hook. You can also use colors to your liking. For round 1, make a magic circle. Chain 3, which counts as your first double crochet. Now make 2 more double crochets. And chain 2. Again, make 3 double crochets. And chain 2. Repeat this pattern of 3 double crochets and chain 2 more times into the circle. After completion, tighten the circle and make a slip stitch at the top of the first double crochet. For round 2, chain 3, which counts as the first double crochet. Chain 1. Skip 1 stitch. And make 1 double crochet in the next stitch. In the next stitch, make 2 double crochets. Chain 2. And 2 more double crochets in the same stitch. This forms the corner stitch. Now let's start making the side stitches. Make 1 double crochet in the next stitch. Chain 1. Skip 1 stitch. And make 1 double crochet in the following stitch. In the next stitch, make another corner stitch, which is 2 double crochets, chain 2, and 2 more double crochets. Repeat the corner stitch and side stitch pattern 2 more times. After completion, make a slip stitch at the top of the first double crochet. Now, cut the light brown yarn and attach the pink yarn. For round 3, chain 3, which counts as the first double crochet. Chain 1, skip the next chain 1 gap. And from the next, make 1 double crochet in each stitch until you reach the corner. In the chain 2 gap of the corner stitch, make a corner stitch which is 2 double crochets, chain 2, and 2 more double crochets in the same gap. Now let's make the side stitches. Make 1 double crochet in each stitch until you reach the chain 1 gap. In that gap, chain 1, skip the gap, and continue making 1 double crochet in each stitch until you reach the next corner. Again, make a corner stitch in the chain 2 gap of the corner stitch. Continue repeating the corner stitches and side stitches 2 more times to complete the round. After completion, make a slip stitch at the top of the first double crochet. Chain 1. Cut and pull the yarn. At the back of the project, hide the excess yarn in the stitches and cut the remaining yarn. And that's it. Your cute granny square pattern is ready. You can use this granny square pattern to make coasters, keychains, mini pouches, scarves, tote bags and many more crochet projects. Don't forget to explore our kits on Amazon. Shop links are in the description. Support our channel by liking, sharing, commenting, and subscribing for more crochet tutorials.